Hello everybody, this is Val with
This is how we do it. Hello, my beautiful people. I'm cooking two steaks for Willie and I season it with this. You can get it from Walmart. Season it on both sides, letting it cook on a low flame. We like it medium well. We're gonna have steak and eggs. I went on and put the chicken on the rotisserie, and I'm gonna turn the steaks now. Move this over some. Let me see, can I let you get a better look at that? Because it looks like the lighting came out. Let's see. Stop it. These are the steaks. I just flipped them. Now, I took that chicken with an injector and injected that whole chicken with lemon pepper and chicken broth. So the chicken has been injected. I had to tie up the legs because the last time I did this, the legs dragged and tore the meat up on one leg. And I tied the wings up. I'm going to go back and get some lemon pepper because the plate it was laying on got some off the hips right there. So I'm going to go get the lemon pepper, and re-season that part. I put some more on it. On those hips there. Leave it on for about 2.5, 3 hours on low. Willie likes scrambled eggs. This is 1 hour on the rotisserie. Look at this beautiful bird after 2 hours, y'all. Look at that. Lemon pepper rotisserie chicken. I'm leaving the meat on for about another 30 minutes. And I have this eye on, this one off, and the one directly under it off. And it's just going to let the heat that's underneath the grill like a warming. And I'm going to leave it on for about another, maybe 30 minutes to an hour to make sure that there's no raw inside of the chicken. And I don't want to poke it and cut it and poke a knife in it to see if it's done, because I don't want the juices to be disturbed. I want the meat to be juicy once we cut into it. But it looks like it's done according to this part right here. The ankles or the bottom of the tail part looks done. And the tip of the wings. So that's why I'm going to just let a warming heat be on it to make sure everything is fine for about another hour. Not direct heat, that heat right way over there, and it's on very low. Well, people, it's been 1 hour and I am taking it off the grill. I've turned the fire off that eye over there, and this is what it looks like. Still juicy, still perfectly cooked. The extra heat did not burn the meat or cause it to dry out. And this is Val, but this is how you do it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, that like button, and that everything button if I haven't told you already.